short flight from the Middle East to get here wicked. Right now, though, turn your heads high above. The smoke is on. The jumpers will be exiting any moment now. And the show will officially be started. Let's watch now. It's going to look like two tiny dots coming out the back, maybe even one. We'll see. Any second. Call has been made. And let's listen in for jumpers away here.
Jumpers, about to jump out. Contact on the jumper.
That's the voice of Sean D. Tucker. That means, indeed, jumpers are away. Reaching terminal velocity now somewhere around 120 miles per hour. Our Golden Knight is now plummeting toward Earth with the smoke screen on it. Soon, we will see the flag unfurl. Ladies and gentlemen, please prepare yourselves for our nation's national anthem, again sung today by Master Sergeant Mandy Harper. She's ready. She's waiting for the hand to go down. All right, that's the hand. It's up. We're waiting for the belly rub of the pat. And then we'll see the flag unfurl. She'll begin to sing. Have a young nurse down here. Tell them why we do this. It's a great opportunity. Give it up for our Golden Knight and Master Sergeant Mandy Harper. This is going to be a textbook picture perfect landing. Right down there, show set down. Stand by for the voice of the Golden Knights. Staff Sergeant Mitch Stockenberg from Fredericksburg, Virginia.
To save a pilot's life as he jumped from his disabled aircraft. Parachuting has evolved through modern aviation technology to become the extreme sport of the 21st century. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Staff Sergeant Mitch Stockenberg, originally from Fredericksburg, Virginia. It has been my proud honor to describe for you today a demonstration of precision freefall, as performed by members of your United States Army parachute team, the Golden Knights. At this time, members of the Gold Demonstration Team are circling high overhead in our distinctively painted C-147 Bombardier at an altitude of 6,000 feet. The jump master is actually looking out the left door of the aircraft. His head is outside in the wind and the cold. Through a series of hand and arm signals, he is relaying heading corrections to the pilot, maneuvering the aircraft to a precise exit point for the jumpers. In a matter of moments, members of the Golden Knights will simultaneously exit the aircraft to form one of the many mass formations possible while in free fall. As the aircraft crosses overhead, Jump Master gives a crossed arm signal of hot target, signifying the airspace is clear and that it's safe to jump. The jumpers are out and the smoke is on. We now have members of the Golden Knight in free fall. rapidly approaching speeds of 120 miles per hour. The initial part of the formation is called the base, and it forms quickly as the initial jumpers fly together while interlocking their arms and legs to form the nucleus of the formation. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our bomb burst maneuver. Watch for the parachutes. There you have the high-flying black and gold of your United States Army parachute team, the Golden Knights. Now, as you may have guessed, these jumpers are faced with a unique situation, a traffic jam in the sky. Each jumper must gain vertical separation to allow for individual approaches into the target area. This is accomplished by pulling down the front part of the parachute and spiraling down at speeds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This enables them to set a traffic pattern so you might see aircraft at a busy airport. The parachutes used by the Golden Knights are flexible wing gliders, constructed of a lightweight ripstop nylon. To turn left, the jumper pulls down on the left steering line. To turn right, the jumper simply pulls down on the right steering line. As the jumper nears the ground, he will pull down on both steering lines simultaneously for the safest and softest possible landing. At 1,000 feet, the jumper does what is called a wind penetration check, checking his distance and speed across the ground. As you see, he then flies a downwind leg, a base length 90 degrees to the target, then faces into the wind for a final approach. It takes a great deal of concentration to land dead center of the target. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for our first jumper. Once on final approach, the jumper shifts all this concentration to a small black dot located in the center of the orange X. You may notice the tail of this parachute curl under. This slows the forward speed while reducing the jumper's rate of descent. Make some noise for a beautiful, safe, stand-up landing. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the Virginia State flag. The front of the parachute has 7 openings. These allow air to be forced in, inflating the flexible wing glider. As this jumper nears the ground, watch the movement he makes with his steering lines. He is showing you the full flight characteristics of his brand new parachute. At the completion of today's show, we will bring our equipment out to the audience. Please come forward and help us repack our main parachutes and ask any questions about opportunities available to you in today's modern Army. The average Golden Knight is 26 years old, has more than 1,200 free fall parachute jumps, and is proficient in one of the hundreds of Army occupational skills. He or she joined the Army for a multitude of reasons: travel, training, adventure, excitement, and to get the edge on life. From Sacramento, California, he is an airborne infantryman with 273 free fall parachute jumps. Staff Sergeant Mike Connors. Now performing the technical task of airborne videographer from Aurora, Colorado, he is an airborne with 1,486 free fall parachute jumps. Sergeant Jason Ballard. And now for the jumpers. From Montezuma, Iowa, he is an airborne nurse with 647 free fall parachute jumps. Specialist Skylar Romberg. From Miami, Florida, he is an airborne ranger with 1,854 free fall parachute jumps. Staff Sergeant Dan Gerlach. Hailing from La Crosse, Wisconsin, he is an airborne communications technician with 2,556 free fall parachute jumps. Sergeant First Class Mike Cook. Forest Lake, Minnesota. He is an airborne combat medic with 999 free fall parachute jumps. Sergeant First Class Jake Kirkhow. All the way from Anchorage, Alaska, he is an airborne infantryman with 3,476 free fall parachute jumps. Sergeant First Class Brandon Parra. From Dallas, Texas, he is an airborne motor transportation operator with 3,300 free fall parachute jumps. Staff Sergeant Blake Gator. Now leading the Golden Knights in free fall, he is the team leader of the Gold Demonstration Team. From St. Louis, Missouri, he is an airborne aircraft refueling sergeant with 9,827 free fall parachute jumps. Sergeant First Class Joe England. Ladies and gentlemen, it brings great pleasure for the 2019 Airshow season. All members of your United States Army Parachute Team, the Golden Knights. Now, in keeping with the long-standing Golden Knight tradition, we would like to present today's baton, which is flown in free fall to a distinguished member of today's audience. U.S. Army retired Master Sergeant Paul Alpiza has stepped forward and been introduced as the team leader. He will be presented with today's baton and meet each individual team member. Master Sergeant retired Paul Alpiza has served 22 honorable years in the United States Army. He has served as a tactical communications specialist with an additional duty as a drill sergeant. He has had multiple duty locations to include Fort Riley, Fort Carson, Fort Knox, has served in Korea, Germany, Turkey, Romania, Bosnia, and more. Master Sergeant retired Paul Alpiza, the United States Army, the Golden Knights, and the great state of Maryland proudly salutes you. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes our performance for the day. And on behalf of the entire team, I would like to thank each and every one of you for being such a warm and receptive airborne audience. In closing, I leave you with this final thought. In the future, may all of your days be prosperous and your nights golden.